These are the designs we have made to create the new visuals. So here I will show you from the scratch that how you can do this. So first of all we will remove it. Then we will take some shapes in front of you. So there are the designs we are going to create. Then pick up a shape there. Here we are creating the clipping mask. Then we will use the further design. We will take it. So let's create the clipping mask.